Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. In today's video, this is a look back of my Christmas decorating last year from my living room, my Christmas tree, and I did not show you my tablescape. So I'm going to include all the decorating together, and I hope you enjoy and get some inspiration for this coming year. Welcome to my Christmas in July 2024. This is also the color I'm going to use this year, and I hope guys you get some ideas.
things we had to do around the house just had to wait. But I promise you that I'll be done by the end of the week, and Christmas will be only you and me.
Honey, I hope you know that I understand the weight upon the shoulders of my man. Don't worry about gingerbread or to dress the Christmas tree, for Christmas will be only you and me. Christmas is the time to be together, but I'll be by your side until forever. We can find some time to spend with friends and family. Oh, but Christmas will be only you and me. Christmas is the time to be together, but I'll be by your side until forever. We can find some time to spend with friends and family. Oh, but Christmas will be only you and me. Oh, but Christmas will be only you and me. Christmas decorated in town. Among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around, just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether or not you're with somebody new.
Welcome to my winter wonderland train Christmas tablescape. As you can see at the backdrop, there's a snow in there, and I haven't able to upload this video last year because I ran out of time and I was very busy at work. And I hope guys you get some ideas in this tablescape here, and I'm gonna do this again this year, but probably different things again, especially my blue and white.
From the ground up, Still sometimes I wonder if you're near or off yonder, though I couldn't tell you why. But wherever you are, near or afar, outside my door or in some airport bar, I still wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true.
My train came from Ross a couple years ago, and hopefully they'll bring this back this year. I see this last year, but it was in black color. So if you're looking for a train, hopefully you will find it from Ross this year. This copper glass right here came from Home Goods, and you've seen this before in my last Tablescape last month. That one came from Kohl's. My napkin ring, I believe, from Hobby Lobby, and my plates from Kohl's. And you've seen this before on my past Tablescape. Mostly ornaments that I use in this little Christmas tree. This one right here, it was a shot copper glass, and the teapot right there, you've seen that before on my Tablescape, and I use it as a napkin ring. Same thing with this little mug glass right here, and Steve's gingerbread ornament. And those mini picture right there for a Christmas tree, I got that from Hobby Lobby a few years ago, and I used it again.
Darling, I get you on my mind when Christmas comes to town. It's getting cold, baby. I just want you close. I got all this joy in my heart, and if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside. Baby, won't you hold me tight? I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you, and I know it will be a magic holiday. Oh, you make it all okay. Oh, it's a magic holiday. Ooh, the rest just fades away. It's you and me, a magic holiday. The fire's burning bright, and the snow is falling down. Honey, what you need in your arms, that whole world disappears. 'Cause when I'm feeling down, you're there to love me right. Nothing compares to this, it's such a bliss, my only wishes. I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you, and I know it will be a magic holiday.
If you found this video helpful to you, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload videos, you will be notified. Again, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. I'm sorry I can't upload a lot of video this year because I'm still recovering, everyone. Bye-bye!